guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I actually have an unboxing video for you guys, and this came in just today from Australia, and I'm actually super excited to open this package. So let me just open the package and show you guys what I have today. Right, I think one good thing is that this package is actually packed pretty well with bubble wrap, and I think it's actually pretty nice because it's actually blue. So I'll move on with the unpacking, then you can see what it is. Alright, so what I have today is actually an item from Banks Sloane. So how did I get this item is because I recently won a giveaway a giveaway from Time Unwinding. So I'm actually very lucky and very happy and honored to be receiving this package. So kudos to Time Unwinding to actually send me this package. So you can actually check out his feed. Later on I will show you. He's doing a lot of great photographs. You can actually see from his Yacht Masters, his other Rolex and all his watches. I'll leave a link below so that you can actually follow him. Perhaps he can do one more giveaway for you guys in the near future. So let's get back on. So what I'm having here is actually from Banks Sloane. So you can see from the package, it comes with this very nice package. Basically just a very simple box, but with a pretty good finishing, and I really like the silver color of the branding printed on the box. So alright, so we do have a very nice cloth over here. Okay, so nothing much else inside the box. Let me put it aside. Alright, okay. So what I have today is actually the Campbell. It's from Banks Sloane, and this is actually a watch roll that I've actually worn. So I chose the blue color. You can also pick the brown one if you are interested in another color wave. Basically they have two color waves coming on now, and it's a really beautiful watch roll, as you can see. So it's from Banks Sloane. They have very nice printing over here. Alright, so the leather is stitching is pretty well done. So let me just take a few shots for you guys over here to take a look. Okay, really like the blue, by the way. It's looking very good. It feels there's some weight to it, but I think it's actually pretty nice. Okay, let me actually go through with you the dimension. So for this, it's actually from here. It's actually 22.5 cm. So I believe it can fit to many backpacks. The height is 10 cm over here. Alright. Wait, and there's a width of 7.5 cm. I think the width is over here, but the height is here. Yeah, it should be it should be that way. So this is basically the dimensions. So let me just open up and show you guys how it looks like inside. So as you can see, I'm not sure, it's actually black in color, but on the video it looks a little bit grayish. But okay, so you have two buttons over here to actually lock the watch roll. But the finishing is done is actually very nice suede leather. So what's the difference between these and other is that they have a very nice divider inside here, which can actually fit your watch properly without it moving around. So I think most of you guys will have known that there are some of their watch rolls is from sliding ones, but for this it's all buttons, so the watch don't get to move around as much. Alright, so let me just show you inside. So you have 3 slots. So it's actually very easy to take out. Basically, it's really easy for you to actually take out the watch pieces by itself, and you can see these are all separated, so you do not have to really worry about the watch moving around, because everything will be clicked together with these buttons. Alright, okay, so moving on, I'll actually put in some watches to actually show you guys how it looks like with my watches on. Alright guys, so as you can see, it actually fits pretty well. So looks very good, it fits very well. As you can see, the watches doesn't shake because the buttons actually clips everything on. So it's actually a pretty nice touch, as you can see over here. I think it's a very good product. The finishing is really well. I think it's a pretty value for money, and I think I just want to thank Time I'm Winding again for gifting this, doing this giveaway, and I'm very lucky to be myself to actually win one of these Banks Sloane's watch roll. Alright guys, thank you so much for actually coming on to view this video. I'll see you again, and I'll see you next time. If you love my content, or you want to actually share with me or comment on this Campbell watch roll, you can leave down in the comment section. So thank you guys, I'll see you again. Cheers.